Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something you may have heard of but might not fully understand: gaslighting. What is it? Where did it come from? Who gets affected? And most importantly, how do you protect yourself from it? Let's break it down. So, what exactly is gaslighting? Gaslighting is a form of psychological manipulation where one person tries to make another question their own memory, perception, or sanity. It's often subtle at first. Maybe a partner insists you're remembering something wrong. Maybe a boss downplays your feelings or rewrites events that just happened. Over time, this kind of manipulation chips away at your confidence and self-trust. You start second-guessing yourself and even apologizing for things that aren't your fault. But where did this term come from? The word gaslighting actually comes from a 1938 play called Gaslight, later made into a movie in the 1940s. In the story, a husband slowly manipulates his wife by making tiny changes in their environment, like dimming the gas lamps, and then denying that anything's different. The goal? To make her feel like she's going crazy. That's where the term originates, and it's become a powerful way to describe real-life emotional abuse today. Who can become a victim of gaslighting? The truth is, anyone can. Gaslighting can happen in romantic relationships, friendships, at work, within families, and even on a larger scale through politics or media. But it's especially common in situations where there's an imbalance of power. People with low self-esteem, anxiety, or a strong desire to please others may be more vulnerable. And it's even more damaging when the gaslighter is someone the victim loves or respects. What happens to people who experience gaslighting for a long time? Over time, gaslighting can have serious psychological effects. Victims may begin to feel confused, anxious, depressed, and isolated. They may stop trusting their own thoughts, constantly seek validation from others, and even start believing they're the problem. In extreme cases, it can lead to trauma or symptoms of PTSD. That's why recognizing gaslighting is so important. Now, the big question. How can someone cope with it or avoid becoming a victim in the first place? Here are a few things that can really help. Trust your experiences. If something feels off, it probably is. Start keeping a journal of events and how they made you feel. This helps ground you in your own reality. Learn to recognize the signs. If someone regularly denies things you know to be true, makes you feel crazy, or twists conversations to blame you, these are red flags. Set clear boundaries. You don't have to argue with someone who's trying to confuse or control you. It's okay to say, "I'm not discussing this if you keep twisting my words." Reach out to others. Talking to friends, family, or a therapist can remind you of what's real. An outside perspective is often a powerful reality check. Limit your contact with the gaslighter if possible. Sometimes the healthiest thing to do is create distance or cut ties completely. Seek professional help. Therapists can help you rebuild your confidence, understand the abuse, and heal emotionally. To wrap up, gaslighting is a dangerous, manipulative tactic, but the more we understand it, the better we can protect ourselves and others. If you've ever felt like your reality was being twisted or dismissed, know this: your feelings are valid. You deserve to be heard and believed. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, or drop a comment below with your thoughts or experiences. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.